Temperatures were in the low 80s for most of last week and 80 degrees on Saturday. Started to see our cool down with a lot of rainfall yesterday. No rain today, but temperatures struggled to get out of the 60s, and almost all locations stayed in the 60s all afternoon. Humidity is low, dew points some 20s, 30s, low 40s, and we'll likely see the dew points drop a bit more with a strong northerly wind. Winds will also start to diminish later on tonight. All of those conditions, including clearing skies, the optimal conditions needed for those temperatures to bottom out. Now, I don't believe we're going to see a widespread freeze. Frost, yes. Freeze, that should be right along the state line and only looking at a duration of an hour, maybe two. So not even a long duration of freezing temperatures to begin the day on Tuesday. Now, we could see even some areas away from the city maybe get into the upper 30s, low 40s. Metro area temperatures, though, tomorrow morning will be in the 40s. So a freeze warning is in effect for Washington Parish, Pearl River County, and also northern Tangi for tomorrow morning. And again, the duration of that is not going to last for very long. We do have mostly cloudy skies, called it partly sunny, as we saw some sunny breaks at times, but this is all going to get pushed down into the Gulf, so we will see clear skies overnight and a lot of sunshine as we get the day started tomorrow. So very pretty weather on the way, just kind of starting off our first day of spring tomorrow with freezing temperatures. 69 was our high today, stayed well below average. Tomorrow, though, I think is going to be a struggle to even get out of the 60s, maybe topping out tomorrow afternoon, 60, 61 degrees. It'll be a chilly day overall, but at least we will see more sunshine. Our current reading is 68 degrees, low humidity, and wind still breezy north-northwest at 21 miles an hour, but gusting at times over 30 miles an hour. High pressure is moving in, and that's going to allow us to help really clear us out. We got the remnants of a little bit of cloud cover still hanging right near the Gulf Coast, but that again will be clearing out. Long term, we're going to be watching that disturbance. If you remember going back to last week, we had been talking about this upper low sitting out west. This is still sitting out west. It will finally start moving as we head later into the week. What that's going to do is kind of first send it a bit more cloudiness. Again, tomorrow, a lot of sunshine. Wednesday, starting to see an increase in cloud cover. And then as this system gets closer to us, it'll kind of develop a Gulf low and bring us a chance for some rainfall on Thursday. But the model's not in great agreement with just exactly where some of the greatest rainfall accumulations may be. I was showing you the upper model forecast from the GFS. So this is the surface forecast. And again, rainfall definitely from the south shore toward the coast, maybe not quite as much on the north shore, but the heaviest bit offshore. But at least we would see some rainfall on Thursday. That is not exactly what the Euro is saying. The Euro is saying all of the rainfall, or almost all of the rainfall, will stay down to our south, and we stay relatively dry on Thursday, with maybe some showers trying to move this way early on Friday. Again, the model's not in great agreement right now with the placement or timing of rainfall. It'll be something we watch for later in the week. But no, we're going to get some more rainfall. As of right now, rain accumulations look fairly low. At the moment, the Weather Prediction Center is only placing a low-end threat for maybe some street flooding down along the coastline. In fact, right now, doesn't even include the metro area and none of the North Shore. So we'll be watching that slowly. Models, again, at the moment, not in great agreement with those rain chances coming toward the end of the week. And actually, that Euro run I was showing with rainfall late on Friday, that's kind of a new run. It wasn't showing that earlier. So we'll start to see if we're getting a little bit of consensus in the models toward the end of the week. 60 degrees are high tomorrow after temperatures starting out in the 30s and 40s, upper 30s and 40s. So chilly on Wednesday morning, but no freezes, maybe some patchy frost farther north, and a high around 69. That cloudiness and rainfall possible Thursday, maybe some on Friday. And then the weekend actually looking very pleasant. Bit low humidity, temperatures in the 70s, and sun to partly cloudy skies.
The Saints made a